I am just wrapping up staging and photography here at my latest listing in Rochester Hills. This house is a sprawling ranch, which I love because a sprawling ranch talks to so many buyers. If you are a buyer who is downsizing from your colonial, you want everything on the one floor, it works great. If you're a family with a lot of young kids and you don't want to have to do the stairs, you want all the bedrooms together, it works great for that as well. This particular house has 4 bedrooms here on the first floor. They are all great size bedrooms, 12, 13, 14 square feet by another 10 to 12 square feet. We have a master bathroom with an attached bathroom. We have another full bath here on the first floor, and then there is a finished basement with another full bathroom. So we have 3 full bathrooms for the 4 bedrooms. We have an open concept going on here with the living room, dining room, and kitchen. And then off of that is another family room, which I do like because it's disconnected from the open concept. So if you work from home and you need a workspace, or if you have young children and you want a playroom, that's off to the side. So every time you walk in the front door, you don't have to look at all the toys. It works great. And the lot is over and a half acre lot, which in Rochester Hills is a good amount. And you have a good front yard and then even more in the backyard. So playground, swimming pool, whatever your dreams are in the backyard, there's plenty of room here, and it's in a great location, convenient to a lot of things.